Imagine standing at the edge of the ocean at night, looking out over a calm, dark surface that hides one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Beneath those quiet waves lies a world so deep, dark, and extreme that sunlight has never reached it. If we could dive straight down where everything becomes completely black, this is where the deepest part of our planet begins, the incredible underwater canyon known as the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, this trench stretches for thousands of kilometers and reaches depths that are almost impossible to imagine. At its deepest point, explorers sent special robotic vehicles and submersibles into the trench. They discovered something truly incredible. Even in this harsh and seemingly lifeless environment, strange and fascinating creatures are living and surviving. These animals have evolved amazing adaptations that allow them to thrive where almost nothing else can. Today, scientists continue. Animals found in this deep environment is the Mariana Snailfish, a small, pale fish that holds the record for being one of the deepest living fish ever discovered. Unlike many fish that live closer to the surface, the snailfish has a soft, flexible body that allows it to survive under enormous pressure. Its bones are not as rigid as those of other fish, and its tissues have a gelatin-like quality that helps prevent damage from the crushing weight of the water above it. Scientists have observed snailfish swimming at depths greater than 8,000 meters, slowly moving along the ocean floor in search of tiny crustaceans and other small organisms to eat. Because the pressure difference between the deep sea and the surface is so extreme, these fish cannot survive if brought up to shallow waters, which makes studying them very difficult. Despite this challenge, footage from deep-sea cameras has shown that snailfish move gracefully through the darkness, perfectly adapted to one of the most extreme habitats on Earth. Another fascinating group of creatures living in the trench is the small crustaceans known as amphipods. These shrimp-like animals may appear simple, but they play a very important role in the deep-sea ecosystem. In the deep ocean, food is extremely scarce because there are no plants growing in the darkness. Instead, most of the nutrients come from tiny particles of organic material that slowly drift down from the surface, often referred to as marine snow. Amphipods act as scavengers, constantly searching the seabed for anything they can eat, including dead animals, decaying matter, and other organic debris. This process helps recycle nutrients and keeps the deep-sea ecosystem functioning. Some amphipods found in the Mariana Trench are larger than those living in shallow waters, and scientists have even discovered that many of them contain microplastics in their bodies, showing that pollution from human activities can reach even the deepest parts of the ocean. Perhaps one of the strangest life forms discovered in the trench is the mysterious Xenophyophore. At first glance, Xenophyophore moving through the dark waters above the seabed is another remarkable creature known as the Dumbo octopus. This unique octopus gets its name from the famous Disney character Dumbo because it has two large fins on the sides of its head that resemble elephant ears. These fins allow the octopus to glide gracefully through the water, almost as if it is flying through the deep ocean. Dumbo octopuses live at depths ranging from about 3,000 to 7,000 meters, making them some of the deepest living octopuses known to science. Unlike many other octopus species that hunt aggressively or use ink to escape predators, Dumbo octopuses have a more peaceful lifestyle. They slowly float above the ocean floor and feed on small animals such as worms, tiny crustaceans, and other small organisms. Because predators are relatively rare in the deep sea, these octopuses don't even have an ink sac like their shallow water relatives. Their gentle movements and unusual appearance have made them one of the most fascinating animals discovered during deep-sea explorations. Another important creature living on the floor of the trench is the sea cucumber.